my grasp on all the things that raise me higher. What if I gave my life as a gift, vast and broken, for the poor of every kind, poor as I am inside? Would there be less of me? Would I become nobody? Or would I finally be the best of what you had in mind for me? What if I crucified all my pride and upward striving, put an end to dreams of fame, bigger things and social climbing, made myself more teachable, reachable, invisible? Would there be less of me? Would I become a nobody? Or would I finally be best of what you had in mind for me? What if I had seen the way you endured humiliation, seen you go so deathly low to secure my own salvation? How could I live a lie pretending I'm up here so high? Give me the heart to see how you became nobody. Show me the way to be the best of what you had in mind, the rest of what you had in mind, the best of what you had in mind for me. What if I crucified